What is the difference between Sunni, Shia, and Ahmadiyya Muslims?
You see, Sunni and Shias are the people who are still waiting for Imam Mahdi al-Islam and Masih Maud al-Islam. Or sometimes some Shias say that Imam in Shia is Imam Mahdi. And so secondly, Shia and Sunnis believe in all the four khulafas who succeeded the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But Shias say that Hazrat Ali was the only rightly guided Khalifa. So they don't believe in other three. Anyway, but Ahmadis say that all the four khulafas were rightly guided khulafas. Plus, we believe that according to the prophecy of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Imam Mahdi and Messiah who was to come in the latter days has come in the person of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad of Qadian. And the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Quran Kareem itself told us some signs that these signs will happen at the time of the claim of the Prophet Messiah al-Islam. And those signs, quite a number of them have been fulfilled. And at that time there was a claim of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad al-Islam, and the time was also mature when it was prophesied about his coming. So we believe that that person who was to come according to the belief of all the Muslims in the latter days has come in the person of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. There were some heavenly signs, some other signs. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam prophesied about the aeroplanes, the means of transportation, they will be changed. So nowadays we don't use camels and horses for our traveling. The means have changed through cars, buses, rails, aeroplanes. And one heavenly sign also was foretold by the Prophet of Islam sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and that was the eclipse of sun and moon. It occurred on a specific dates which were given by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam during the month of Ramadan, and the specific days, first day of the moon and the second day of the sun. So it all happened in the Eastern Hemisphere and in the Western Hemisphere, and it is also well quoted in the newspapers. So we believe that the signs were given by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and even in the Holy Quran, and there was a claim of the person, and time was also quite mature of his coming. So that person is there, the claim is there, and now we believe in him. So this is the difference between us and other non-Ahmadi Muslims. They are still waiting, or sometimes they refuse now that he will come. So that means they are trying to refuse to accept the prophecy of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. No need to refuse or deny it. We say that the claim is there and all the prophecies have been fulfilled. So you must accept the Prophet Messiah al-Islam. Okay?
Okay. Jazakumullah.